Hey guys, we're just going to run through a quick how to get a stuck bolt out of a hub. This works the same for a hub or a wheel or any time that basically your axle bolt is kind of decked out on the cone hardware or the axle itself. It's really hard to get out. It's a really simple trick you can do at home. You don't need too many tools, just basically the normal stuff you'd have to take your wheel off. All right, so in this case, we have one side that is loose, the other side is tight. And it's quite hard. Sometimes you don't have the cone hardware to be able to try and loosen it up. But essentially what you're going to do is use your forks, bolt it in backwards, the outside, snug it up, and then that's all relative. So your axle is relative to the dropout and the bolt. There we go. Good to go. Pretty common problem with profile hubs, especially new sometimes. You find that you can't get that side loose. Another example. There we go.